So I got a new setup here where one here, one here. So I'm printing a microphone holder on this one, and I figured out a little trick because well, you see all that stringing inside. Well, I printed them flat down, and like they have to. The printer is going basically. When we see, we put it right here. It's going across, and there's no supports inside of the microphone holder. But if you put supports in there, you'll be cleaning it out forever. So with no supports, you end up with like, it has to make a bridge, and it strings across there. But somehow it's still able to pull off the print. But the idea is just put it like this, let it print all the way across, and you won't have no problem. So that's what we're going to do on this one and see how it turns out. So I'm just going to arrange like little microphone holders here and just, attach them, here. And it has holes in it, but what I'm going to do, I'll drill out a different hole. I'll just put one in the center. I don't need them to be, at the ends here where it's going to crack it when you tighten it down. So I'll drill a hole in the center, and I'll just use wood screws, make sure the hole's big enough. Depending on, the material you use and the temperature you print it at, it might crack easily. I got my direct drive bracket for this one, but I don't really, I think if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this thing is printing one of their test prints. It's like a vase or something. And I just decided, well, I've got most of a roll gone, so let's just go ahead and use that. And then here's the filament dryer. And what's cool about the filament dryer is it's hooked up here, and then you just go in here to your dryer box, and if it's on, you set the temperature that you want. I think 50 is max. I guess it goes even higher. I'm gonna leave it at 50. And then it just stay on usually on a timer, but since we're printing, it's kind of different. So this is showing us our progress of our print, our Z offset, how many hours it's been printing for, the temperature, the bed temperature, all that, and the speed. So pretty cool. So this is kind of my new setup where I have this table here and the two printers here, and then I can go back over here and print on that one. And then right behind me is all the radios, so I can have stuff printing and then get on the radio and do whatever. So, but in the meantime, I'm about to go outside, and I've got the Yaesu 891 out there. We're going to see if the bands are any better. They're really, really bad earlier, so it's 5 o'clock. What the hell? That's weird. The clock doesn't display properly. So, and right now, as you can see here, the solar is running everything. And as soon as the battery dips down low enough, this particular unit will switch over to grid. So, it's still sunny out, and I don't think these draw that much power. So, what I'll do at a later point in time, I do have a clamp meter, but I'll use this, and I'll plug it in over here, and I'll have it go to that power strip. So because basically, most of the time, the only thing that I'm running with the solar in the winter is just a heater. And that's, I think I just heard what sounded like gunshots outside, sorry. I'm going to have to go check into that. I will be back in a minute. I'll catch you guys later.